it is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor here at the Deeds Group at RE/MAX, and I am standing in front of one of our newest listings. This is 3609 Woodhaven Court. I am in Bedford. I love this cul-de-sac. It is fantastic. Such a gorgeous neighborhood. Very well-maintained homes. Everybody clearly takes pride in where they live, and it's just, you know, established trees, and you know, it's just, oh, it's beautiful. I mean, look at this big giant tree right here. Just love it. So location, first of all, and you are gonna love the floor plan of this home and how it's laid out. So let's go check it out. Come on in. So we've got a lovely entry here. Little foyer where you can do some cute decorative stuff. Great living space right here in the center. It's a great den family room right here in the middle. Kitchen, extra dining room, which by the way could also be used as a study if you needed that kind of space. So we love that. Where shall we go first? Let's walk this direction. So coming in here, we are in the master bedroom, which also has a master bathroom. Nice big room, lots of space in here. Also with the windows, you get a lot of good natural light. It's a little echoey because it's a bathroom, of course, but we've got separate tub and shower. Great. I'm going to get out of the way so you can take a look at it yourself. A separate tub and shower, great storage space on these walls. You've got in here a place to sit at your vanity as well as 2 sinks. So really it is great space, as well as big giant closet. Oh, that turns on a fan. So nice big closet space. Great space. I know I keep saying that, great space, but really so much of a home's basics and structure and all of that, just the layout of how the space is used is so important, and the space in this house is used wonderfully. So again, with the natural light, we love all of these windows that are coming through. So let's go check out this side of the house over here, and then we will do the kitchen last, okay? This is a pretty cool room because it could be considered a 4th bedroom, but also it's a big enough space that if you wanted to make it like a game room, kind of separate living area, I think there's a lot of families that could use this as like a movie room, or it's large enough that you can put a pool table in it. It does have a closet, so we can use it as a bedroom. But if you want to use it as a second living space, it really is a good sized room to do that, and additionally has access to the backyard. So I keep walking down this way, and I've got a bathroom with 2 bedrooms. Okay, so this is where your traditional sort of 3-bed, 2-bath with an extra living area, or you can use that as a 4th bedroom. So if you take a look in here, nice. I mean, it's a great bathroom. You've got not separate tub and shower, but you've got the tub with the shower. So great for, you know, anybody who is a bath taker, but also can stand up shower. These bedrooms are really good size, also with great closet space. And so between the size of the room and the size of the closet, I mean, this is just really fantastic use of space. So also, I'm always hearing, not enough storage. This house has so much storage, okay? And I love these cabinets, love. All right, so let's go back through here. By the way, did we get a good shot of the fireplace? Because this is a really cool fireplace. I'm a big fan of this brickwork. I think that if you did something cool with this paneling and made that brick pop, like, this room has so much potential. So once again, we've got this, I called it a dining space, which is what it is, but it also could be used as a study if you wanted to. It would be real easy to put some kind of like, to block this wall off and maybe do like a a cool door right here if you wanted to make this a study, but also if you need a dining room space. I mean, that's what's great about this house, is a lot of the space is very versatile. And so then in here we've got our kitchen. So tons of cabinet space. Tons of cabinet space, tons of room to walk around. Even if you were someone who really wanted an island, you could probably put a little skinny island right here. You've got lots of space. And if you're wanting to use that as a study, you've got this nice big spot right here for a table for a dining room. So it is, again, really well laid out, really, really good use of space. And I love, by the way, this era of house and some of like the architectural details. I already talked about the fireplace. If you look up at the ceiling, some of these ceiling trays and things like that, so much character in these properties. And as we walk through to the backyard, you'll see again the ceiling. This coffered ceiling is fantastic. So just a lot of really cool, you know, built-ins right here on this wall. Just really cool architectural details that we don't always get anymore in new construction. So let's take a look at the backyard real quick. You gotta be smarter than the door. Oh, there's one down here. Oops. Come on out. Let's check it out. Oops. Slamming the door. How sweet is this backyard? First of all, you've got the covered space right here, which is lovely. You've got extra covered space right here. So this is a great place to sit and enjoy a cup of coffee. Glass of wine if that's your thing, morning, evening. It's a great type patio for that. Love this tree in the shade that you get from it, as well as the extra storage shed out here. We do have a 2-car garage on this house, which we're not going to take video of, but there is a 2-car garage, so you've got plenty of room in that. But if you need extra storage for lawnmowers and things like that, that is a really nice storage building that's going to have some space for that. So I think that I have covered it all. This home is going to be listed at $335,000, and we are going to be showing it all weekend, and we are cautiously optimistic that it's going to sell very quickly. So if you are interested, give us a call, shoot us a text, let us know that you'd like more information. Share this with your friends, comment, tell us what you love about it, and we will be talking with you very soon. Thanks so much.